What is the shape of the city layout of the ancient place Sravasti? Answer is option B, semicircular. Friends, ancient Sravasti was the capital of Ram's son Love. From the ruins of Sahet Mahet, it appears that the shape of the city was semicircular. During the time of Gautam Buddha, it was the capital of Kosala king Prasenjit. Kalidas the poet and Aryabhatta the astronomer were present in the court of which Indian ruler? Answer is option D, Chandragupta II. Friends, if we understand in detail, Meghdoot is one of the finest works of Kalidas in terms of world literature. The most famous and beautiful work of Kalidas is the Sakuntalam. Aryabhatta's works include Aryabhatya and Arya Siddhant. Where does headquarters of the International Olympic Committee is situated? Answer is option A, Lausanne. Friends, the International Olympic Committee was founded by Pierre de Coubertin with Demetrius Vikelas as its first president. Established on 23rd June 1894, the International Olympic Committee is a not-for-profit, independent international organization. Thomas Bach is currently the president of the International Olympic Committee. Where is the Central Food Technological Research Institute located? Answer is option C, Mysore. Friends, Central Food Technological Research Institute was established on 21st October 1950 in Mysore, Karnataka. Central Food Technological Research Institute is one of the constituent laboratories under the Council of Scientific and Industrial Research. Impure water can be made pure. Answer is option D, both B and C, means by adding alum and by boiling. The foul smell of dead fish is due to the compound. Answer is option C, amino compounds. Ashok Mehta Committee is related to? Answer is option B, Panchayati Raj. Friends, if we understand in detail, the Janata government in December 1977 under the chairmanship of Ashok Mehta appointed a committee on Panchayati Raj institutions, and purpose was to revive and strengthen and declining Panchayati Raj system in the country. It made 132 recommendations in 1978. It recommended that the Panchayati Raj should be changed from the three-tier system of Panchayati Raj to the two-tier system. The highest point in the Aravalli range is? Answer is option B, Guru Shikhar. Friends, Guru Shikhar is the highest point of the Aravalli range of Rajasthan. Friends, the capital of Rajasthan is Jaipur. It is at an altitude of 1722 meters. It is the highest peak in Rajasthan along with the Aravalli mountain range 15 km from Mount Abu. Regur soils are also known as? Answer is option D, black soils. The reign of Raja Krishnadev Rai is considered the golden age of which literary language? Answer is option A, Telugu. Friends, Vijayanagar Empire was established in 1336 by Harihar I and his brother Bukka Rai I of the Sangam dynasty. The Vijayanagar emperors were great patrons of art and literature. Which of the following is the issuing authority of the coins in India? Answer is option A, Government of India. Friends, if we understand in detail, in India, coins are minted by the Government of India. They have the sole right over these. Coins were distributed through the RBI distribution center. The responsibility for coinage vests with the Government of India through the Coinage Act 1906. Simply Click credit card scheme is launched by which of the following bank? Answer is option C, SBI, means State Bank of India. Friends, Simply Click credit card scheme was launched by SBI card on 15th of September 2015. It is India's first credit card that focuses on online shopping across various categories. Who is the first Indian to win two Paralympic gold medals? Answer is option B, Devendra Jhajharia. Who was the first recipient of the Bharat Ratna Award and the founder of Swatantra Party? Answer is option C, C. Rajgopalachari. Friends, Bharat Ratna Award was established by the first President of India, Rajendra Prasad, on 2nd January 1954. Bharat Ratna is the highest civilian award. C. Rajgopalachari was awarded Bharat Ratna in 1954 for his commendable services to the nation. He was the first person to be awarded this highest honor. In the citadel and lower town areas of which one of the following Harappan cities have several large cisterns and reservoirs been found? Answer is option D, Dholavira. Dachigam National Park is in which state of India? Answer is option B, Jammu and Kashmir. Friends, Dachigam National Park has located 22 km from Srinagar in Jammu and Kashmir. It was declared a wildlife sanctuary in the year of 1951. In 1981, the Dachigam Wildlife Sanctuary declared as a national park. During whose reign did Buddha come to Kausambi? Answer is option D, Udayan. The Nastaliq script belongs to which of the following language? Answer is option D, Persian. Ozone layer thickness is measured in? Answer is option C, Dobson units. Friends, if we understand in detail, the ozone layer is present in the stratosphere at a height of 16 km to 25 km. Ozone thickness is measured by Dobson units. Ozonosphere works as a shield against UV radiation. The aerosols like chlorofluorocarbon released into the atmosphere reduce the ozone layer. India's latitudinal range ranges from blank north to blank north. Answer is option B, 8 degree 4 minute to 37 degree 6 minute north. Friends, the Indian mainland extends between 8 degree 4 minute north and 37 degree 6 minute north latitudes, and from 68 degree 7 minute east and 97 degree 25 minute east longitudes. The latitudinal and the north-south extent is 3214 km and the east-west extent is 2933 km.